In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a suggestion strip, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down instantly. This way you can tap on additional settings, then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Now hit Corrections and Suggestions to scroll down and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When your switcher turns blue, you can go back to check out your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!